Thunder, play with Tito. Ocho Cinco. I got stripes like a bingo. Snoop Dogg ego. Johnny fucking Puerto Rico. I stand on the stage and look like a big Miss Keto.
What's poppin' YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video I have a hair tutorial for y'all, and this video is sponsored by insert name here, INH, and I got a little ponytail by them, and the name is called Shylin. Obviously you guys can see my hair is kind of like a different color, so I picked a color that really kind of matched it, and I would say it pretty matches very well. And for the information, it'll be all linked in my description box, all the info, what type of hair I got, and all that. So make sure y'all go check them out. They're having a huge sale right now, and they're very affordable too. So yeah, so I'm just gonna show y'all like how I'm gonna do my hair, and this is 26 inches by the way. So yeah, let's get started. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on my social medias, you know, be linked on the screen or in the description box, and comment down what y'all want to see next, and let's get started. Oh, and by the way, for my hair I'm using a hard bristle brush, a toothbrush, and some eco styler gel and edge control, and I believe I'm gonna do a side part, so I'm just gonna kind of fast forward that part while I do my hair. And yeah, let's get started. So here is the hair out of the package. As you can see, it's giving, it's long, it's gorgeous, and it has a little velcro strap, and it has 2 bobby pins with it. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna wet this a little bit, and obviously I crimped my hair with this to kind of match the pattern, so it could be easier and blend in better. But obviously this is like a perfect match, which I love. And the hair feels very soft. I love it. So far I'm giving it a 10 out of 10, but let me try it on and I'm gonna start doing my hair. So as you can see, I parted my hair in a side deep parting because that's how I like it, and I'm just gonna get started with my hair, and it's gonna be fast forward or whatever, and I got a gum in my mouth, so don't mind that. So as you guys can see, it is done. Okay, and now it's time to apply for the pony. My hair is pretty long, you guys, but it goes to like right here, like under my boob, and this will go past my boob, like down to like my waist basically, which is obviously way longer and way cuter and way thicker. So it's gonna look plus A1, okay? Basically, it has a Velcro strip where you go like this, and it has 2 bobby pins. I'm gonna take out the 2. I'm gonna just unravel it right now. So yeah. And what you see inside is a comb and this, a comb and that. You see that? And so you see the top right here. What you're gonna want to do in the clip, you're gonna want to clip it on top of your ponytail, like so. And I am making a TikTok video, by the way. Then make sure it's nice and tucked inside the ponytail. Nice and snugged. And then what you want to do is grab this wrap and then wrap it around. Clip it in, and yeah, I'll be back when it's done. So basically, y'all, here's the finished look. It's looking long, it's looking big, it's looking luscious. Okay, don't play with me. I love this. I'll rate this 10 out of 10. It's so easy to use. Instead of wrapping the bundle in some glue or whatever, this is so easy, so convenient. And they have different types of hair colors and stuff, and I'm pretty sure this was like a magenta color, and it matched my hair very well. So make sure y'all check them out for sure. But anyways, I love y'all, and hopefully y'all like the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and comment out what y'all trying to see next. And bye, and follow me on my social medias, okay? Link in the description, bio, all that.